So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a custom coming soon page for your website if your website is under development. And now, in order to do, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for card. It has double R in spelling. Just simply search CARRD.co and open this website. Now here, uh, go to this option which says choose a starting point, and once you do that, here you're going to find multiple templates. Now just simply select any other template. For example, let's just go with this one, and once I select this one, the template will gonna load for you. Now here you have to add your background image, your profile picture, and here you can add the coming soon option. And so by this method you can easily generate a coming soon or come back later template for your website. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.